Let's try a quick search in CONSULS by entering our search terms in the quick search box and clicking on search. Let's enter identity theft within quotations. Here it is. And let's select at all CSUs in State Library. The default is to search the SCSU library only. Enclosing our search terms within quotations looks for the exact phrase. Now click on search. We get 271 results. The first 50 results appear on the screen, and you can scroll through the rest of the results by clicking on the page numbers which appear at the top and bottom of each screen. Let's click on the first item which is available at Eastern Connecticut State University. When you do a keyword search, the search terms that you enter can appear anywhere in the record. They could be in the title field or the table of contents. Sometimes they're in the note field and the subject field. Because your search term can appear anywhere in the record and not just in the subject field, a keyword search can sometimes produce irrelevant results. Let's return to our result list by clicking on Return to List tab, which appears at the top of every page. On the right side, you will see the format for each item in our results list. If you scroll up to record number 1, you'll see that this book is available at Eastern. If you want this book, you can request it. Click on the request link and follow the directions on the screen to request the book. For help with requesting materials online from another CSU library, please consult the Requesting Materials from Another CSU Library tutorial. If you return to the result list, you will notice that SCSU has the 4th book on the list, and this is available in the QA section of our stacks. Books that can be checked out are on the 2nd and 3rd floors of the library. This book is in the QA section, which is on the 3rd floor. Please check with the librarian at the reference desk if you're not sure on which floor a book you're looking for is shelved. You need to present your Hootloot ID card at the circulation desk to check out a book. Books can be borrowed for 28 days, and you have the option to renew the book 2 more times, provided no one else has requested the book or placed a hold on it. You can renew a book you've checked out by accessing your library record with your username and password and clicking on the Renew tab, which will appear next to each title you've checked out. If you need a book that has been checked out, you can place a hold online the same way you would request a book. Many documents are available to us through websites. For example, items number 6 and 7 on our results list are websites from the federal government, and you can click on the website link to access the full document. Our library also has many DVDs. Here is a DVD that's available at the SCSU library. DVDs can be checked out for 7 days. You can also request DVDs that are available at another CSU library by clicking on the Request button and entering your username and password. You follow the same procedure you would use to request a book from any of the Connecticut State University libraries. Our library has many ebooks. If a book in our library is available in electronic format, the status note will say SCSU Access. Click on SCSU Users Connect to this resource online to access the book. If you're accessing this book from off-campus, you will be prompted for your Windows username and password or your Hootloot ID number and library PIN. Some books have the status Library Use Only and cannot be checked out. This book, Policing the Internet, belongs in the SCSU reference collection and cannot be checked out. However, a copy is available at Eastern Connecticut State University, and you can request that copy if you wish. You can limit your search to items that are available only by selecting Limit Search to Available Items, which appears at the top of each page. Now let's try the same search, Identity Theft, as a subject search by selecting Subject from the pull-down menu and clicking on Search. This time we get 213 results. When we did this as a keyword search, we got 271 results. That's because in a keyword search, your search term can appear anywhere in the record, such as the title field, the note field, the contents field, or the subject field. Whereas in a subject search, your search term must appear in the subject field. It could appear anywhere else, but it must appear in the subject field. Let's take a look at this. Let's click on Identity Theft and click on the first title to bring up the record, and you will see that Identity Theft appears in the subject field. Subject searches are therefore more focused. When you're unsure what subject term to use, or if there is no subject term for your search, do a keyword search. Clicking on Modify Search will take you to the Advanced Search screen, where you can refine your search or limit your search using any of the limiters provided here. This will produce more targeted and guided searches. For additional help, please consult a librarian.